Grizzly Industrial's new 5-speed HEPA air filter clears the room of harmful particles like dust, pollen, and pet dander that your dust collection won't capture. The carbon filter traps odors, while the HEPA filter captures 99.97% of particles. Use the Grizzly Green remote to cycle through 5 speeds from 800 to 1400 cubic feet per minute. Blue light means you're good to go, and red light means it's time to replace the filter, which can be done very simply with no tools required. A green grizzly head confirms great air quality. Orange means you should up your fan speed, and red suggests max fan speed. It can also be set on a timer of 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours, then will automatically turn off. Speaking of automatic, the A button automatically determines and engages necessary fan speed, then powers off once the air quality is safe again. Assembly is simple, equipped with eye bolts and flange nuts for safe hanging. Too large for your shop? Then let's check out the T33150, a 3-speed filter with a 1.6 horsepower motor. As a more portable option, it's equipped with rubber feet and a handle, ideal for benchtop placement. Made in an ISO 9001 factory, you can ensure a dust-free, healthy workspace in your shop. Visit grizzly.com to choose your HEPA air filter.